No Filipino has been reported hurt or injured during the severe flooding in Indonesia. The Migrant Workers Department says they continue to coordinate closely with the Philippine Embassy in Jakarta. Local rescuers continue to search for missing people after flash floods and mudslides killed at least 43 in Sumatra. Torrential rain triggered floods, landslides, and cold lava flow or lahar from Mount Merapi. Diba? So dito tayo, we were asking for rain, at least kahit papano meron, pero talaga sa Indonesia, prone na Indonesia
diba,
sa landslide and flooding.
Pero parang kailan lang, a month ago or is it a few weeks ago, parang they were reporting also na may time na pumapalo ang...
Ano?
Kalimutan ka.
Bakit?
Kaya ko yan. Pumapalo mo ng high temperature din sa Indonesia. Oo.
Pero that area talaga, prone sila sa landslide. Actually, I was reading it kanina. Parang few months ago, 2 months ago, there was a deadly flooding also before this. Tapos right now, ito ulit, diba? Tapos active pa yung volcano na yan na labas ng cold lava. And then, ngayon, they're looking for 3-year-old, 1 3-year-old and 8-year-old kids missing. So, I was reading the news about it. They were setting up evacuations. Yung mga standard operating procedures kapag may mga ganyan. But still, yun nga, kawawa naman yung mga tao doon. Pero yun nga, no Filipinos were hurt din naman in that area.
Dapat tumino na tayo because Mother Nature is little by little asking for payback. Diba? So, yung mga ibang tao pa galit sa mga aktivista ng ng climate change.
Before, di ba? I
Greta
remember
Thunberg
that.
had a lot of detractors.
Even just before kay yung sa States, Vice President before.
Al Gore.
Al Gore, di ba?
Al Gore or Dan Quayle? Al Gore.
Nobody believed him before.
Yeah,
diba? They thought he's crazy.
And he partnered with Leonardo DiCaprio with several projects on the environment. Diba? Sabi nila, he's gone cuckoo already dahil sa politics daw.